rebound niya ulit. Number 28, tumira ng 3. Bam! Bababa ng bola. Pinasa number 10. Number 10, easy 2 points. Number 6, nagpapadali. Easy 2 points. Depensa. Pinasa number 24. Easy 2 points. Number 10. Number 10, dumiskarte. Easy 2 points. Number 28, tumatake. Umamit ng katawan. Easy 2 points. Pinasa number 26, tumubok ng 3.
Sa base,
10 to shoot. Nice two. Number 26, easy 2 points. Number 19, number 19. Number 16, number 3, sumulok ng 3. So number 7, 420, easy 2 points. Number 17, dumiskarte, inatake yung 3. Easy 2 points. Number 11, nagdadala ng bola. Kaya gumamit ng katawan, nagpapadali. Push number 11, tumenge. Pinasa ka number 31, gumamit ng katawan. Easy 2 points. Number 55, pass to number 10, tumira. Easy 2 points. Number 55, tumira. Easy 2 points. Number 90, tumira ng 3. Number 55, umatake. Pinasa ka number 10, number 10. Easy 2 points. Number 11, dumiskarte. Pinasa number 55, number 26, tumira ulit ng 3. 4. Pass to number 12. Easy. Number 26, easy 2 points. Number 31 again. Number 31. Good, rebound niya ulit. Push pa ulit. Second attempt. Good. Pumas break. Number 11. Pumeke. 11. Dapat sa dalawa. Nagawa ng paraan. Change 5 pag nakashoot.
wala.
Good. Number 19, number 3, number 17. First attempt. Good. Number 19. Nice to the number. Nagmamadali. And third team foul. Easy 2. Number 2. Oh, good. Number 3, Dumiskarte. Nice team. Number 7. Number 7, pinababa na ang bola. Number 7, pinasa ka number 6. Number 6, no good. Ibang by number 18. Pinasa doon. No good. Number 6, pinababa ang bola. Number 7. Number 2, number 6. Easy 2 points. Tabla na po ang tala. Number 17. Easy 2 points. Number 17, Dumiskarte. Foul. 420, rebound. Number 7, pinagana. Still by number 19. 35 seconds. Number 6, sumatay, nagmamadali. No good. Pinasa ka number 17. Number 17, easy 2 points. 5, 4. First attempt.
Oh, may 2 seconds pa ha.
May 2 seconds pa. Mahanap ng papasa at pinasa kay number 17. Number 17, umatake. Number 18, tira ng tres. No good. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 7, pinasa kay number 26. 26, tumira ng tres. Number 10, binababa ang bola. Number 10, pinasa kay number 26. No good. Rebound ulit niya. Pagdatuan sa loob. Foul. Bruce foul rep.
Sub daw. Sub.
Substitution rep.
Pag nakashoot, pag nakashoot.
Pag nakashoot.
Wala pa.
Pinasa ulit doon. Number 26. Easy 2 points.
Time out daw, time out, time out, time out, time out, time out.
Number 11. Number 11, pass to number 3. Number 3, pass to number 28. Number 28, tumingin. Easy 2 points. Papadala yung pass to number 10. Number 10.
Puro ilalim.
No good. Number 10. Second attempt. No good again. Number 3.
Ayaw ko lalaban. Ayaw.
Number 3 going dribble. Easy 2 points. 35, 40, 28. Number 28. Mga nakatawan. 10 to shoot. Number 12. Number 11. For 3. For 3. 5 seconds. Number 10. Umatake. No good. First attempt, good. 10 second attempt, good. Number 3, binababa ang bola. Number 11, number 11, gumagawa ng set. Gumagawa ng set na number 11, numiskarte, pinasa kay number 10 sa loob. Number 3, nakabawi agad. 42, pinalik kay number 43. No good. Na-steal ni Kuya doon. Number 31, nakabawi agad. Number 12, tama ang bola. No good. 4. Pinasa kay number 92, nice steal. Nagmamadali number 10, nag-iisa, easy 2 points. Dalawa na lang po ang kalabangan, number 16, pinasa kay Kuya. 40. Bang! Agad, tatlo sila. Pass to number 2, easy 2 points. Out of bounds. Yellow ball. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10. Luis Carles sa loob. First attempt. Good.
Sir, ilan na yung tugado? 92 yata.
Third personal foul.
Sasab daw pag shoot.
Okay lang.
Substitution rep.
Sub.
No good. Pinasa. Easy 2 points. Nagkaga na kalabangan. Start na po ng fourth quarter. Number 7. Bumiretso agad. Easy 2 points. nagmamadali. Inatake yung tatlo. Who's foul rep? First attempt. Good. Ibe nagmamadali. Pinasa kay number 6. Number 6 dumiskarte. Easy 2 points. Lamang na po. Lemon up. Lemon. Number 7 nagmamadali. Tumira na doon.
Time out, time out, time out, time out.
Ibe nagmamadali. Tatlo sila magkakasama kalaban ng nag-isa. Easy 2 points. Basket. Nawawala bola. Na-steal ni number 6. Pinasa kay number 10. Napakaganda na yun. Number 11. Easy 2 points. Number 26 for 3. Bang! Pass to number 17. Number 17. Number 17 doon diskarte para maka-score. No good. Rebound by number 11. Tinira na agad. Easy 2 points.
Time out daw, time out, time out, time out.
Pass to number 7. Number 7 tumira. Easy 2 points. Pass to number 10. Number 10 to number 11. Napaganda pasahan. Number 17. Laban sa dalawa. Nakakuha ng foul. Si number 17 doon. Lamang po ang lemonade. First attempt. No good. 17. Second attempt. Good. Pinasa kay number 3. Pinasa kay number 17. Paso na.
Sub.
Substitution rep. 72-6. Number 6. Pinababa bola ng pamadali. Number 6. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 10. Siya ulit. No good. Number 6. Tinira na agad. Easy 2 points. 59. Pinasa kay number 10. Si number 10 ulit. Pinasa kay number 11. Napaganda sa saan. Para
Time out,
magkapatid.
time out, time out, time out.
Time out. For 3. Bang! 92. Number 3. May depensa. Number 28. Tumira na 3. Bang! Nagmamadali na takay tatlo. Wala. Pinasa kay number 3. For 3. Bang! Mistake nga po doon. For 3 again. No good.